All right, a short video of a few stocks I'm going to be watching on Friday. My list is bigger than these three, but in the interest of simplicity, I'm just going to keep three stocks in this video. USU is one of them. Now, this is a thinner stock, of course, speculative, but I love the fact that this made this big move here. We've had a couple big trades in the chat room this week on this one, and now you can kind of see that it's flagging right here. But more interesting than that, this day was like 6 to overtime, just a huge move, and so then you've got this nice little flag or pennant, whatever you want to call it, and this one can just make really big moves at times. So even though it's thinner, it can pay you really well if you catch a good setup. Having said that, the reason it's really interesting to me now, because it really wasn't doing anything today, is I've got an hourly chart here that's got pre-market candles on it. So you can see in the after hours, we're up at $10. And recent highs right here, if taken out, this thing could really rip. And so you want to be careful with it. You want to make sure you get a low risk intraday entry, but this one should be on your watch list tomorrow. We'll see if we can get a good setup in it. It really makes big moves at times, as you can see back here. Okay, a couple other stocks. Here's another really speculative one that's a thinner stock. As a matter of fact, back here before the last few days, it traded like 12 shares a day or something, but all of a sudden you get 20 million shares 2 days in a row. It's finally calming down a bit. But these stocks can pay you really well when you get a huge move, couple red days. This might have another red day on Friday. It's IPCI. But even if it has a red day on Friday, keep this on watch for a potential bounce one of these days. What I'd like to see, it's not the only way I play it, but what I'd like to see is a narrow range and a break of its early high in the afternoon. Another thing I'd like to see would be maybe a gap down like we had on OXBT the other day, and then a break of its early high. So there's definitely more than one way to play these, but IPCI should be on your watch list. This has the potential to give us a really nice trade on Friday or maybe Monday or Tuesday. And then another thinner stock, I don't usually play these, but Fran, F-R-A-N, just kind of a pretty cup and handle here. It peaked up above $20. You can see back here after the gap down, it went to like 20, 24. And you've got to like this one on any kind of volume up over 2020 area on Friday too. So there's three of the stocks that I'll be watching on Friday. We'll talk to you later.